is recognized to interject.
Thank you, Mr. President. With the permission of the sponsor and the gentle lady from Antique. Very quickly, Mr. President, in other words, triple whammy effect sa ating bansa ito. Number one, environmental, because nasisira nga yung ating coral reefs and everything. Number two, economic, kasi yung ating livelihood ng mga fisher folk. And number three, security. Kasi yung kinukuhang sand, kinukuhang lupa, binibigay pa natin sa China para mag-reclaim, maggawa ng mga artificial islands, no? Para andito na lang sila sa tabi natin, tabi-tabi. So I just want to put that on record, Mr. President, for the consideration of the sponsor when he calls for a committee hearing to confront the DNR officials and other personalities involved. It's all driven by greed, Mr. President. No? Hindi na inisip yung, never mind the environment, probably. Pero yung security aspect, that's, well, I could say this is tantamount to treason because you're aiding a foreign country which is actually a threat to our national security. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, Senator Risa Ontiveros.